packed up. We're heading out. We're heading to Pinecrest Lake, California. We loaded up, got groceries and all that stuff, and guess what? Forgot something. So we're gonna head to the grocery store real quick, pull this bad boy into the parking lot. Gotta learn how to do it.
We have everything now.
Don't let me go shopping when I'm hungry.
We only have one bag there.
So we forgot a few things. I didn't get broies buns. I'm sorry, that was a key ingredient, but there were some Kaiser rolls that were just a little bit bigger and a little bit softer, and it was just like, oh, and it just was like butter.
Calling me.
Can you hand me the keys to the...
I think we'll be okay.
We'll get by. I got another plan. So we're going through Oakdale right now. We get on the 108. It'll actually veer off this way.
Welcome to Pinecrest Campground. Oh, camp chicken.
Hello. Oops. We're in B6.
For Thomas?
Yep.
So that'll go on the dash of the vehicle. And a brochure here. We got a map on the inside, all of our rules and regulations on the back.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
It's B loop. Wow.
I don't recall it being this tight. They say you can get a 40-foot motorhome in here.
Okay, drive. It's only one way, so they can't come this way at you.
Yeah.
Before, two more. Go on. Okay. Oh, easy. Go, so pull forward, and then we're gonna back right in.
We had site B6. You can't tell from this view, but the pad is in bad shape. With scratches on the big rock and the post knocked over, you can see it's a tight spot with potholes and unlevel ground. We ended up moving to a different spot.
A22. Had to move. Didn't fit. This is quite unlevel. Look there. And then you look there, but we are all the way in.
Once settled in, we decided to take a bike ride and check out the park. All right, so we're here checking out some sites. A51 looks pretty good. All the stuff in A looks pretty decent. I don't have a problem with that. A54, even if it's facing the road. Look at this. This guy's in. A55. Oh, nice. Nice, A55. I'll pass on 57. Let's take a look at the spot. Let's take a look at the spot here. So, tight spots, but there are some nice spots. Look at our spot. It faces the road. I don't care for that too much. And holy crap, look at the level. But we're level. Bottomed out on the nose. And got a nice little spot here. Wow, that's a fire. Let's take a look here. We are currently not in the sun, but we will be shortly. So right now we're charging 12.4 volts, 12.3, 3 bars. So we'll see what happens here in just a few minutes. Okay, we're gonna go check out the solar right now. We got full sun, and 13.5 volts, man. Full bars, look at that. Doing very good on the solar. Yeah, looks like the solar is doing its job. So, not worried about having issues with the batteries for the next, 3 nights. So, you know, no hookups, no water, no electric. So we're really testing the limits of the trailer and seeing what it can do. 3 days should not be a problem. So we got the Blackstone fired up. We got some bacon on here. I took some Kaiser rolls, threw some mayonnaise on there. We're gonna toss those on the grill and get them toasted up. Some cheese and eggs. Just make a breakfast sandwich here. Put a little mayonnaise on these buns. We're gonna set these over here to the side. Yep, that's okay. But you're gonna have to break these anyways. Try not to use so much salt. You got a lot of sodium in the bacon anyways. We use this garlic pepper seasoning grinder. Put that on there. It's a garlic seasoning.
Smells
awesome.
delicious.
Yeah, smell it. You can smell it right away, huh? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna turn these over here. Oh my God, look at the bacon and the cheese and the egg and that bun. Delicious. All right, well, we're gonna dig in, y'all. Enjoy. One thing you do is hang a hammock. Let's hang this bad boy up. All right, I'm in. There you go. Hammock installation 101. Check. Now it's time to start relaxing. after hanging around the camp for a while, we decided to go ahead and take the bikes out for another ride. I think we're gonna get stuck. I think we're lost. And we're gonna get stuck at the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and fire up the Blackstone. We're gonna make some smash burgers. Oh, bacon. Bacon. First off, bacon. I'm gonna put a little bit of bacon on. Let that sit for a couple minutes while it heats up still. Smell that bacon. All right, I got the fixings, some lettuce, some cheese. We got the burgers, some tomatoes, and some Kaiser rolls. I'm gonna put the bacon all the way to the back. Boom, like that. Go ahead and use some of that bacon grease. And we're gonna take the burger. We had rolled these burgers up. Now you want them kind of loosely balled. Got our spices and everything on there. Throw that sucker down. Put some parchment paper over it. And smash that sucker down. Now you can get yourself a press. I don't have a press. Let it go a good 10 seconds. Look at that. Look at that. So we're going to throw some cheese on here. Whatever you prefer. A lot of people like good old American cheese. We went with the sharp cheddar and pepper jack slices. Oh, more cheese. Hello. You never have enough cheese. What? That looks good. Oh man, look at that bacon, that cheese coming through. Oh. All right, you know what they say. Doesn't matter how good it looks, how good does it taste? These are so thin, these two patties, and you would think they would cook so fast. They're so juicy with that sear and that crunch. Oh my goodness. And that tomato just is fabulous. The cheeses all melt together. Very hot. Make sure you let it rest. And oh, just delicious. That Kaiser roll with that mayo is on that mayo, making that toasted. You can't buy a better burger than this. You can't buy one. We're gonna sit down and finish the rest of this up. We'll catch you all in a bit. Not sure where the camera cut off, but put in a can of peaches. Put your peaches, you put your cake mix all around, just like that. Now we're gonna take the Rambo knife, take chunks of butter. All right, check this out. Sprinkle some sugar. Put the lid on this sucker. We're gonna sit it right in directly into the fire pit and put some coals on top. Come on. It's supposed to be coals, not exactly all out fire, but the coals were dying out and we had to add wood, so now we got fire. Nonetheless, I think it's gonna still turn out good.
What's the time limit?
We're gonna give it 15. We're gonna turn it a quarter, turn the top. We're gonna let it go till 30. Check it, turn it again. Maybe let it go a few more minutes. We'll see. Put that sugar on top, so that's gonna caramelize and bake right up. So we'll see.
Hopefully the peach juice comes up from the sides and mixes with the butter and the cake mix, and oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see this.
We got the peach cobbler. It's a little more crispier than I had planned.
Charred.
A little charred. Pull the chard off and make a lemonade out of lemons. Throw a little chunky monkey on there. All right, get some of the peach. Little ice cream, a little char. Tell you what, don't get a whole lot more better than that. Pretty damn good. Look at that. That there is delicious.